goddamn get it on, will ya? Woo. When I blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories, we running through New York City.
Okay, members, so thank you for obviously paying your membership, and obviously I owe a lot of you guys a video at least, and a few videos. I know a lot of you are going to be excited to actually see this, because I know a lot of you are going to own E90s, E60s, E61s, E63s, and so on and so on. And this is going to be the device a lot of you are going to want. Therefore, I'm going to show you the device we're going to be installing to the car today, and you're going to probably see it on a video as well, but I just want to show you it, what the company actually sent me. This device was sent to me by the 4x4 shop in Canada, and I received it last week. I said to them I'll do the video. They wanted a YouTuber to do the video, and they sent it to me. I'm not paid to do this. I didn't pay for the product either, but when I saw it, I thought, hell yes, because one, it ain't been done. Two, a lot of people think it can't be done, but I'm about to show you it can be done. So as you'll see here, this is the whole equipment that we're going to be installing to the BMW E60, which is all inside here. Now, if many of you guys don't know, this is a retrofitted MBT Evo display. If many of you don't know what that is what is fitted to the new F series and G series, but this is fully customizable. It also comes with 4G, so you can put a SIM card in, watch YouTube on the move, and do whatever you want with the SIM card equipped in. Now, if you'll see here, we've got an original screen case like the old CCC. You'll see there, which we're going to be fitting to the E60. You'll also see we've got the wiring harness, which is going to come up to the back of the screen itself, to the newer screen from the back of the CCC. So you connect this into the CCC, which you're going to be seeing on the video. We're going to be installing this. You'll also see a reverse camera, which we got sent as well with it, which we're going to be installing in a separate video. You're going to be seeing me install that and how it all works on here. And then we're going to get obviously the screen out, which is right here. Now, as you see, it looks exactly like the MBT, and it stands out. Now, this one does have Apple CarPlay as well, so we are going to be going ahead and showing you how to use that. It's all built in, and it's all on this system. But as you see here, by the time we're finished, it will end up looking something like this, which you can see on the instructions, like the new F and G series MBT Evo. So we're going to go ahead and install this, and we do have a GPS splitter as well, because my 60 comes with a GPS splitter. So we're going to go ahead and install that, so we don't have to use the antenna they put in the box here, which if I show you, which if you guys buy this kit, I do advise to buy it. It's somewhere around here with the 4G antenna. It's underneath here. You'll see the GPS antennas there, which we're not going to be using because we have no need for that, because my car already has GPS fitted, so we're not going to be using that one. This right here is a 4G antenna that we need to install and put on the windscreen so it can get 4G reception. So we're going to go ahead and obviously install this now, but you guys now get to see what the actual system is, and this system we're going to be installing. If you look on the back of the harness, it's got a load of different plugs for all different things, for subwoofers, for reverse cameras. It is a fuse terminal as well, so it will work with your remote controls or the multifunction steering wheel, so you won't lose any of your controls either. But as you see there, this is the kit they sent me, and you know, it's really good quality. And like I said, you know, even though it's manufactured in China, you'll see all here, but it's really, really good quality. And I've seen these before, and you know what, I'm really glad when the company contacted me. I didn't know it was going to be this one. I actually thought they were going to send me the one like a lot of YouTubers always do, just the whole screen, but they sent me the MBT version, and I'm very happy. As I said, it will be getting installed on the Black E60. The reason it's not being installed in the M5, as many of you will ask me, is purely because the M5, I want to keep it original because it's a future classic. People will not buy any kind of retrofits, and I don't want to retrofit anything into that car. But if this works out well, I will go ahead and get them to send me another one to install to the M5. So there you have it, members. I've just shown you now what we're going to be installing to the BMW E60. As I said, this is an MBT display. This is what you'll find on the F and G series. The product looks very promising, and as I said, I have tested it and it works really, really well. Very quick, very responsive. You can change the layout. You can even have it, if you really wanted, on the original iDrive display, which is still there, and then you can go into another menu and go into all the apps and everything on the screen, which is really good. So you can actually keep your normal functions, which I will be showing you in another video. You can actually keep the normal function of your CC so it looks all original, but you can also make it like the new MBT Evo and have it like that. You don't have to change your controller and you don't have to change your CCC unit either. This is a brilliant, brilliant device. And as I said, you're gonna see it installed and I'm gonna show you the video on how it all sets up, how to change it all the different custom faces and everything else. We also, this is just a quick little secret between me and you guys on the membership, I'm also being sent a digital cluster. Now, if any of you guys ain't ever seen these are the new Lwb Digital Clusters for the BMW 60, which a company's sending me as well, which I'm gonna be fitting into the E60 as well, which I'm really looking forward to. And you can customize all your needles and everything else and put whatever you want on there, and there's constant software updates. So that's another thing I'm gonna be receiving. I'm showing you how to do that on another video. But thank you very much, guys, and I appreciate all of you who pay for the membership. And obviously we are going to have a lot more videos coming up on this device, which you guys will get to see before everybody else.